Do you waste time overthinking trivial things? Or do you jump in quickly and make decisions you later regret? And what about the bigger issues everyone has opinions about? What's the best way to evaluate and think about those? How much time should you spend thinking about decisions and big issues? This video is for curious people who want to think more clearly about both their own choices and the bigger issues shaping the world around them. It's about finding the right balance, knowing when quick answers are fine and when to slow down and think more deeply. By the end of this video, you'll know 3 ways to approach decisions that enable you to match the depth of your thinking to the situation, whether it's a personal decision or a bigger societal topic. You'll see when it makes sense to trust a quick judgment and when to take the time to think a step or two further. Let's get started. Do you give much thought to how you want your coffee in the morning? How about free food samples from your favorite grocery store? No? That's fine. This is first-order thinking, choices that can be decided quickly, almost automatically. Trivial decisions that don't carry long-term consequences. We make them all day long. Go ahead, hit that elevator button that's already lit. It doesn't really matter. First-order thinking is shallow by design. It's a feature, not a bug. But never, never use first-order thinking for things that matter. For those issues, you have to go deeper. A friend offers you a puppy from her dog's litter. The puppy is adorable. You accept the offer and bring it home. Oh, right. Now it's chewing your shoes, barking all night, and your wallet's bleeding from vet bills and pet food. All of this could have been avoided with second-order thinking. Second-order thinking is about asking, and then what? It means looking past the cute puppy eyes and thinking about not just what happens now, but what happens next. Use it when a decision affects other people, costs real money, is hard to reverse, or demands a serious investment of time. Skip it, and you risk being blindsided by the consequences of a shallow choice. So, what's third-order thinking? Second-order thinking will put you ahead of most people, but sometimes you need to go even deeper. Imagine you're the mayor of a city, and you decide to make it greener. Oh, Lord. So you roll out bike lanes across town. That's second-order thinking. Safer lanes mean more cyclists, fewer cars, and less pollution. Smart move, right? But then the ripples hit. Fewer car lanes mean more congestion, local shops complain about lost parking, and the bike lanes get commandeered by delivery riders on fast electric bikes, a loophole that leads to more pedestrian accidents. Now your re-election is in jeopardy. Third-order thinking doesn't stop at, and then what? It pushes further to ask, and what happens after that? It's about tracing ripples across systems, across people you may never meet, and across many years into the future, including factors that seem disconnected at first. And it's not always about avoiding disasters. It's also about spotting opportunities, like saving a little money early, which compounds into financial security decades later, or building small health habits that quietly add years to your life. Use it when choices require a long-term commitment, shape entire systems, or spill far beyond your own circle. It's not easy. You have to challenge your assumptions and anticipate interactions that aren't obvious, the kind that stay hidden unless you push yourself to look deeper. Here's the good news. Most of the time, second-order thinking is enough. Keep third-order thinking as your secret weapon, saved for the rare, high-impact situations. Recognize when you need it, and it can make all the difference in the world. Remember the 3 ways to approach decisions. First-order thinking is quick and shallow. Use it for the daily, trivial choices. Second-order thinking asks, and then what? It's your go-to workhorse for decisions that cost money, time, or affect others. Third-order thinking pushes further, asking, what happens after that? Your secret weapon for rare, high-impact decisions and issues. Match the right level of thinking to the situation, and you'll avoid wasted effort on the small stuff while spotting the unintended consequences that may come with bigger decisions. Better thinking leads to better choices. Better choices lead to a happier, healthier life. Don't overthink the trivial, and don't skip the deeper thinking demanded by the important. When you match the depth of your thinking to the situation, You avoid regrets, see around corners, and gain the confidence that your decisions are solid, grounded, and well-reasoned. If you enjoyed this and want more nuggets of curiosity, go ahead and subscribe. There's plenty more to come. And we'd love to hear from you. Would you like deeper dives on this topic? Which of these 3 levels of thinking have you used or missed? Drop a comment below.